Well, now we're gonna look into something super interesting, not really, but yeah. The main aspect here is that I'm gonna show you how we can create something useful to your trainers if you're gonna have many options with mainly the same function. So, first of all, we're gonna add project, add user control. Now we have to wait and then we can type in something. For example, write integer. Okay, now change the back color to transparent so we won't have many problems with that. Now you can add a label, fix it up as you want with style and everything like that. So you won't have to worry about it later on. Okay, and we're gonna name it this. Just write int with some. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it was horrible to watch now, but yes. And then we can add a text box as we wanted to the user to write something in here. Now we can add a button where we place this, for example after, and do something like right. Yeah, so I had to write it in the correct spot. Okay, it's not lovely or beautiful, but yeah, resize it. And now we can change this back to transparent. Okay, so let's press F7 to go to the coding. Now, first of all, we're going to declare three things. Yeah. First, a string that is going to be the process name of the process, of course. Then we can add um, text for the title, and then we're going to have an integer that is going to be the address. Okay, now that's done. Let's just assign this to 0x0, whatever you please says. For me, process, whatever you want, title, that's going to be equal to, there we go. Okay, so now we're going to create some properties. The first one is going to be public first. Public, and then the first one is going to be a string. Now you can call it whatever you want. Text because it's the most normal one. Get. It's going to return. And then label one text as it's the one that is contained in the title. And then set. I'm going to set the label one text equal to value. Okay. And now we have to think about what I've done wrong. Suppose I see it already. Da-da-da. There we go. Problem solved. Now we can copy this because we are lazy. Yeah, sorry, we don't need a text. Okay, and here we can have the process name. But then less s. And instead of the level 1 text, we're just going to use the process instead. Let's assign this to notable. Okay, now that's done. Let's copy it once again. Whee! And this time changed it to integer. And then address. I just change this with the address. There we go. Now all that's done. Let's go here, double click the button to create the event. Now we need an memory class, whatever you want to use, and apply it. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to do the write and the address. I'm going to use that one and the value. In brace to convert, and then the text box one.text. Okay, now that's done. And here I changed the process to the process above here. So now it's simply done. Let's just simply debug it, close it, and we can drag this form down here. And now we can apply the addresses and everything we want. 0x123 there. Need to convert to an integer. Process name. Lol. And the tool can be health, for example. And now that's done and it's simple, ready to go. The end.